Hey, what's going on? It's Tsai here. So in this video, I want to show you how you can use Canva to design your social media posts. So we all know that design is really important when it comes to creating those social media process. So how can we actually do about that using Canva? So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Canva, right? You can go to nicktsai.com/Canva to try it for free, right? So you go to Canva, then you can search the templates. So for example, if you want to create a profile or a post for Instagram, then you can go search for Instagram post. Right, then there will be many templates you can choose from. Right, so for example, we can choose, for example, maybe this one. Then you can just edit the text here. Right, so maybe you can say do or do not. There is no try. So yeah, this is from Yoda, who is my favorite Jedi Master, right? Then the next thing you want to do is that you can change the photo, right? So you can drag and drop and change your photo here, right? So for example, I want this one, right? So then you can just replace the photo. So for example, maybe this one. So you have to choose the photo first, then you want to replace it. Right, and you can replace the photo here as well, right? So maybe this one. Okay, right. So then that's it. You can also duplicate the photo, so you can create multiple different photos at once, right? So right now let's do this one. Then you can change your code. So as you can see, you can create many social media posters just using that, and that basically you don't need Photoshop. I used to use Photoshop, right? But right now, because with this one, it's much easier for me to create social media content. Then after everything is done, you just click download. Then you can download the file to your computer. Then you can upload them to your social media. So this is really powerful. So you can go to nicktsai.com/Canva to try this for free.